Let's make some refreshing salad using cooked garbanzo beans. I have a recipe of as to how to make this in instant pot. How to cook a garbanzo beans in instant pot video link will be attached to this video. I also have some vegetables here. Let me start by chopping them. To this, let me add 2 large spoons full of garbanzo beans. We'll add more if you want. I've cooked some corn in the microwave. I also have a recipe, a method video for this. It's quite hot. Check that video. I'll link the video here. So microwave it for 4.5 minutes and check the magic. It just slides right out. There you go. Let me use a fork. So let me add this here. I'll clean this area and then I'll show you what are the seasonings that needs to be added. So to this, I'm going to add our chaat masala. You can find this at any Indian store. If you don't want the Indian flavor, don't add chaat masala. Just salt, pepper and lemon juice is fine. So first, let me add some black pepper. A little bit of chaat masala, some lemon juice. I always have freshly squeezed lemon juice in my fridge. Let's mix this. This salad is better if it sits in the fridge for a little while. So refrigerate this, cover this and refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes before you serve. The longer it sets, it's better. It's really healthy. You can add any fresh vegetables you like. You can add lettuce or whatever like you like. Try this recipe and let me know if you like it. This is a protein rich salad because of the garbanzo beans that we added. Make sure to check the video that I made for cooking garbanzo beans in instant pot.